Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss about how to build a gaming computer with detail. So guys, if you found our video informative, so please like and subscribe our channel and also press on the bell icon on so you will get notification. So guys, we will start the video. So guys, how to build a gaming PC. In addition to your case, here are the components you need to build a gaming PC. First of all, central processing unit CPU. Second, graphics processing unit GPU. Third, motherboard. Four, memory RAM. Five, storage. Six, power supply unit PSU. Seven, system cooling. Eight, gaming peripherals. In it cheaper to build my own gaming PC. Cost: if you are on a budget and looking to save some money, building your own PC can be a huge advantage. By choosing your own parts, you can shop around to find the best prices and avoid the added cost of paying for expensive part that you could not need. How much does it cost to build a gaming computer? A $1,000 to $2,000 budget will allow you to budget for plenty of extra features such as Wi-Fi in your build, a built-in I/O shield, USB-C, plenty of fans, and RGB across selected components. On the high end, we would advise spending upward of $2,000. How do I start building a gaming computer? Here, how to build a gaming PC step by step. First of all, check your components. Second, mount the power supply. Third, install the motherboard, CPU, and RAM. 4, install your CPU cooler. 5, install your SSD or hard drive. 6, install your graphic cards. 7, manage cable. 8, test and troubleshoot your gaming PC. In it better to build your own gaming computer? Die building your own PC is the best solution for those who want full control over every aspect of their build. It provides the most thorough customization option from the CPU to the fans and lighting. This means you shall always have the exact hardware you need. How long should a gaming PC last? Should replacing without replacing or upgrading parts, some gamers may be able to expect their gaming desktop to last for around 5 to 7 years, while other could potentially get more than 10 to 12 years out of there. In PC gaming, an expensive hobby. Gaming is an expensive hobby, and I doubt that statement will surprise everyone reading this article. A recent study revealed that gamers in the PC spend around $58,000 on game on gaming during their lifetime, which is a huge amount of money. In 32 GB of RAM overkill for gaming. 32 GB of RAM is considered high and is generally overkill for most users. For most everyday use and basic tasks such as web browsing, email, and basic office work, 8 GB of RAM is more than enough. Even for gaming or video editing, 16 GB is typically sufficient. So guys, if you found our video informative, so please like and subscribe our channel and also press on the bell icon on so you will get notification. Thank you.